Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Memory Study. Students, have you noticed the wide variety of trees that are present in our planet? Yes, these are called forest wealth. So, forests are large areas where trees grow very close to one another under the natural conditions. Forest plays an important role in our day-to-day life, from purifying air to the providing a large number of raw materials. So the natural vegetation of a place always depend upon the amount of rainfall, the temperature and the soil of the region. So the forests are found in places which receive heavy rainfalls always. Right? So India has main 5 types of forest here. So in this topic we are going to discuss about those 5 main forests. First one is of tropical evergreen forest. Then second one is tropical deciduous forest. Third one is thorn and scrub forest. Then fourth one is mangrove forest. Then fifth one is mountain or Himalayan forest. So all these topics we are going to discuss here. So please watch the video till the end, otherwise you will miss the content. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let us discuss about the tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests remain green throughout the year. The trees do not shed all their leaves at any particular time of the year, but shed a few leaves throughout the year. So they are usually found in areas that receive heavy rainfall on the western slopes of the Western Ghats like Kerala, Assam and Meghalaya. These forests are also found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The trees are tall and have huge crowns. Tropical deciduous forest. In deciduous forest of the tropical region, trees shed their leaves for a week every year or look bare. Right? So deciduous means a tree or shrub shedding its leaves annually. Okay, annually they shed their leaves means पत्ते जो झड़ जाते हैं उसको बोलेंगे deciduous trees. Okay, so generally at the beginning of summer this is to escape loss of water from the leaves through transpiration. So transpiration means a plant or leaf that exhales of water vapor. Right? So sandalwood, teak, sal, bamboo and neem are some trees that grow here. So all these trees are useful, and teak wood is excellent for making furniture. Sal is used for making railway sleepers. Then sandalwood is used for decorative pieces, right? So and it also helpful to make the medicine property. Okay, properties of the medicinal. That is, neem also has medicinal values and its extract is used in toothpaste, ointments, soaps and so on. Thorn and scrub forest are found in the places of the Rajasthan and some areas of the Deccan Plateau. Where there is very little rainfall, only thorn and scrub trees such as kikar and babul trees grow over there. Acacia is common in such regions. Cactus also grows in the deserts. So all these things we can found in the places of thorn and scrub forest. Now let us discuss about the mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are found in the swampy, marshy coastal areas of the West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. They are also called as tidal forest. The trees that grow here have special roots that come out of the water for breathing. The largest mangrove trees are found in Sundarbans in West Bengal. These forests are also found in Godavari and Mahanadi deltas. So the wood is used for making boats and furnitures. Mangrove forests protect the coastal line. They can even absorb the force of tsunami waves. Now let us discuss about the mountain forest. Mountain forests are also called as the Himalayan forest. They are depending upon the height of the mountains and the amount of the rainfall. Different trees grow in the mountains and Himalayan forest. from bamboo, oak, fir, and pine as you go higher. Fir and pine are evergreen coniferous trees. Their soft wood is used for timber and for making paper. Now let us have a look on all these 5 forests on the India map. As you can see the square type areas here. These places. These. So these places is filled with Himalayan vegetation. As you can see this Himalayan vegetation is also written here. The next is the net areas in which we can see the tropical rainforest. These net areas, these Western Ghat places, this Assam, Meghalaya. Okay, these places are filled with tropical rainforest. Then these places are filled with dry thorn forest. These places. Okay, like places like Rajasthan and some places of the Deccan Plateau here. Okay, so these places are filled with dry thorn forest. Now next is tropical deciduous forest. These the slanting lines. The lines are there, no? So these places are filled with these places. These places are filled with tropical deciduous forest. This one. Okay. Then the tidal forest are mangroves. These black shaded areas. Okay. These black shaded areas are coming under the tidal forest mangroves. The places like West Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu are coming on these places. So all this we have the main forest. With this we have seen the outline map of India. Let's see, that is the how the forests are affecting on our India at different places we have discussed here. Now let us discuss about the useful of forest. Usefulness. Now the uses of the forest. As we all know that forests are very useful to us. They also attract the clouds and help in providing more rainfall. Okay. So they attract on the rainfall clouds, right? They also prevent soil erosion also. They also give us the water also. They can give us shelter by which we can make the furniture also, and we can make the medicines also. It is also give help to wild animals so that they can go and they can graze the grass in the forest. Okay, with the help of the forest we may get different types of fruits, vegetables. We can get the honey from here. Okay, so different types of wood we are getting from here. So the uses of the forest are must and compulsory for the human life. Okay, we can breathe the fresh air also. So other foods products are gums and honey also. Okay, we must preserve the forest, and we should plant more trees also and keep our planet green forever. Okay, so with this we have finished of our forest world. If you like this video, please share it among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.